Hey guys, I just wanted to talk about the geographical influences student sheet that you guys noticed was in classroom. Um, yeah, we did as a group, but I would like you guys to do this at home. I'm going to go ahead and explain that to you right now. So you're going to notice on the student sheet that there's basically a group, and then there's locations, and then basically there's three tables that are exactly the same. Okay. So I'm going to let you guys choose the letter of your group. Okay. So for example, you could choose A as your group. You could choose B as your group. It doesn't really matter to me, but where you find these groups is over here on the climatograms that I have linked on the playlist. So if you notice, this is group A, and this would be Beacon Rock State Park. This one's also Group A, but this is Pendleton, Oregon. This is Group A as well, but this is Astoria, Oregon. So you only are going to pick three cities to do in the same group. So I don't care if you choose Group A. This would be the start of Group B. We had paper handouts, but this will work just as well. Okay, so basically just pick your group um, and go from there. So here's what you'll do. So if I choose Group A, I fill that in, and then I'm going to go through Beacon Rock for you. So the location would be Beacon Rock State Park would basically go right here, Beacon Rock State Park. And then you're going to use this to basically collect all your data. So for example, the first thing was latitude, and you can just pull the latitude from here, and it's 45.7 degrees north of the equator. The next question is your location near lakes or oceans? If we look at Beacon Rock, I would say for this example, because if you see these three cities, this is not really near a lake or ocean compared to this one. So I would say no for that question. So if you say no, then I'm basically going to say no here, and then I don't have to answer this question. Okay. But let's say I was moving to the next city in line, which is the third city, Astoria, then I would definitely say yes because it's right along the coast, and that's a part of this group. Okay, so you can see this map has Astoria. It's going to have Beacon Rock. It's going to have Pendleton, but you fill out this whole table for one city. If I'm going to get the mean precipitation for the entire year for, let's say, Beacon Rock, I need to look at this data. I'm going to add up all 12 of, sorry, did I say precipitation? Yes, mean precipitation. I'm going to add up all 12 of these numbers and divide by 12 to get the average, and that average will go right here. Okay, do you notice any patterns in precipitation? I would say for Beacon Rock, I definitely do. It's going to be highest from January, February, and March, November, December. So basically November through March is going to be the highest precipitation. So I'd record that pattern. The mean temperature, you would basically add up all the average temperatures right here, divide by 12 to get your mean temperature. The range, so calculate the range. That's basically the variation in temperature. So for Beacon Rock, I would take 21, which is my highest temp, minus 4, which is my lowest temp, and I'd get 17 there, would be my range. So basically for all three cities in a group, don't think you have to do B. You can basically pick any of them, A through F. You're going to do three cities for the same letter. Okay, and that's why there's three tables. And then the important thing for me, for you guys to show understanding at home, is that you answer all these questions. Okay, and then basically I want you to make one Google slide, and that's it, just one Google slide that summarizes the data. And what I mean by summarizing the data is, can you tell me, here's the big question, why do these three cities that are in the same location have different climates? Okay, there's a reason that they're in a group. They're close in location, but they have different climates. So you create the slide. You could actually maybe just link the slide on this document that you turn in, and that would be it for regional climates, okay? So I know you're gonna have questions, but hopefully that helps. That'll get you started. Remember, this document that I'm on right now and this one right here is linked on the playlist. All right, that's all I got.